When you open the app, you are presented with all the books that we have in the system. You'll see there's a green bar. This means that the book is issuable to a student. The pink bar means the book is not issuable. So this case, it is a teacher's guide, so we don't issue that. The $sign means that the parent is billed for this book, and that your details will appear for every book that you have claimed. To start the process, whether it's the first time you're claiming or it is a subsequent claim, start searching for your book. Under all titles, it will be there. If you've claimed in the past, go to My Titles and you'll find it. So for new claims, search. The search button only works on the all titles because of the volume of titles that we have. There are too many to search through manually. So once you've located your book, click on your book, provide the grade, the department. I have 50 new books, 20 are used, none are damaged. The cost is 250 Rand to replace, and I'm going to submit that. You are now the only person who can work on this title as far as stock takes and managing the details of the book are concerned. So under My Titles, you will see that the book has now been claimed by you and you've done a stock take on it. Let's assume that this is not a book for CAT. It's been incorrectly allocated. I'm going to hit my edit button because I have claimed this title and I own this title, so only I can do this. It's under the Titles tab. This is actually an accounting book. So I'm going to change whether it's issuable, the accounting, the subject, and whether it's billed or not can be managed on the edit button of the book. Okay, we'll make it billable, right, and let's save. We've done our update successfully. I go to My Titles, there's your book, and it's billable, and it is issuable. If you want to add a new book to the system, click on there, provide the details, and submit. ISBN numbers have to be unique, so it will generate an error if it finds a duplicate, and it will not add in that case.